Ever dreamt of ditching the commute and setting your own hours while earning serious income? Today, we're diving into how you can unlock that dream using Toptal, a platform connecting top freelance talent with exciting projects. This is your ultimate guide for making money online with Toptal. First things first, understand that Toptal is selective. Their onboarding process is rigorous, ensuring a high-quality talent pool. The process usually involves completing an application. Toptal focuses on professionals with expertise in areas like software development, design, finance, and project management. Highlight your specific skills. The better you can showcase those skills, the better the chance of success. Next, craft a standout profile. Clearly showcase your relevant skills, experience, and portfolio. This is your digital resume, so make it shine. Detail and accurate information is a game changer. Once accepted, you'll gain access to projects. Browse through project listings, carefully reviewing the requirements and compensation. Find projects that match your strengths and goals. After applying for a project, if your application is considered and if the client is interested, prepare for interviews and assessments. Display your experience, creativity, and communication skills. The better you understand all this, the better chance you will have. Once selected for a project, deliver exceptional work, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively with your clients. This is crucial to maintaining a strong reputation and securing future opportunities. The aim is to meet all requirements, as this aids in making money online. Toptal opens the door to remote work, allowing you to earn competitive income while building a flexible lifestyle. Utilize your expertise and start your journey towards online money-making today with Toptal.